Hello everyone, welcome to another channel update video. Today I will keep the video very short because, well, I'm fucking exhausted, but as you can see I have finally moved, and yeah, as I promised, I have an entire room dedicated to this now instead of just a corner on my balcony. I now have two benches, and well, I had to replace this with an IKEA table instead of my wood bench because it didn't fit in this room somehow. Well, it didn't fit through these doors. Anyway, it still is much better than my old setup, so hopefully it will be a better place to work in, and it will allow me to produce better content for you guys as well. And yeah, that's the update pretty much. It will take me quite some time to get settled in this at this moment. I still have to buy a whole lot of furniture, and plus, yeah, I have this whole mess to deal with, so it's going to take ages. But thankfully I have one more pre-recorded video that will go live next week. So it's recorded at the old place. It's a teardown of an old clamp meter, and yeah, hopefully you will enjoy that video as well. And as I said, I'll keep this video short, so I hope you are excited for the future of the channel, and if you are, please leave me a like down below, and thanks for watching.